everyone, this is Beth and I am with Crafty Corner. We are an online Cricut retailer that also provides Cricut inspiration and educational videos every week. Be sure to subscribe to see all of our awesome content. Today I want to show you how to work with multiple colors of iron-on for one shirt with one mat. This is the design I'm going to be using today. I found it in the images right in Design Space. As you can see that each letter is a different color. I'm going to duplicate the design, group it together, and then hide it. This is so I can remember which letter is which color later on. I then will select the whole design and change each letter to the same color. I do not want to attach them together because I want it easier to move around on the mat later. After we hit Make It, we will see a preview cut mat screen. I then can move the letters around on the mat to give them space between each letter. I click Continue and select Everyday Iron-On as my material. Lastly, we want to select Mirror On as we are using iron-on. Next, I cut out pieces of each of the colors of Skin Tone Iron-On here, making sure that they are bigger than the letters themselves. I am going to take each piece and place it on the cutting mat where I have the letters on the mat in Design Space. I then load my mat into my Cricut and hit cut. After it's done cutting, I will weed each letter. I am going to be using my AutoPress for this project, but you can just as easily use an Easy Press. I have it set for 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 seconds. My AutoPress is now warmed up and I can start placing my design on the shirt. I have cut the carrier sheet of each letter close to the letter itself so that when I put it on the shirt, none of the carrier sheets overlap. This is how I'm able to do them all in one shirt in one press. If they were to overlap, you would need to do the layers separately. I close my AutoPress and let it do its thing. When it's done with the 25 seconds, it will automatically open. Give it some time to cool off and then carefully pull back the carrier sheet. And that's it, a brand new shirt with multiple colors of iron-on. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to see all the videos that are coming up. Also, check out Craft-e-Corner.com for all of your Cricut material needs. See you next time.